Hello students, welcome to Narayana online classes. Today we are discussing about 7th class mathematics revision assignment. If we add 7 to twice of a number is, so here we don't know a actual number. So let number equal to x. So now twice of a number means we should multiply with unknown number with the 2. So that means 2x. So here if you see add 7 to twice of a number means if you add, this is the twice of a number plus 7. So option 2 is the correct option. If we subtract 22 from 3 times of a number, we get 38. Then the number is, so option 1 20, option 2 40, option 3 60, option 4 30. So second question, if we subtract 22 from 3 times of a number, we get 38. So the original question here, this one. So we don't know the actual number. Now let number equal to x. So 3 times of a number means 3 into x, which is equal to 3x. Now subtract 22 from the 3 times the number. No, 3x minus 22 we get 38. 3x. Here minus 22. Bring to RHS side means plus 22. So 3x equal to 60. 3 ones, 3 20s. So x equal to 20. So first option is the correct option. Now third question. Sum of 3 consecutive integers is 24. Then the smallest one. So first option 8, second option 9, third option 7, fourth option 6. So here first of all we should know what is 3 consecutive integers. So here I am taking let 3 consecutive integers means x, x plus 1, x plus 2. So consecutive means side by side number. So here 3 consecutive integers means x, x plus 1, x plus 2. Now sum of 3 consecutive integers is 24. Now add these 3 consecutive, x plus 1 plus x plus 2, which is equal to 24. X plus x, 3x. 1 plus 2, 3, which is equal to 24. So 3x is equal to here plus 3. Bring to RHS side, that is minus 3. 3x equal to 21. 3 ones are, 3 sevens are. So x equal to 7. Now this x value substitute each and every x. X equal to 7. X plus 1 equal to 7 plus 1, which is equal to 8. x plus 2 equal to 7 plus 2 equal to 9. Now the three consecutive integers is 7, 8, 9. Among these three, which is the smallest one? 7 is the smallest one. So option 3 is the correct option. Now fourth question. Write equation of a given number which when multiplied by 7 and reduced by 3 is equal to 53. Now options. First option 3x minus 7 equal to 53. Second option 7x plus 3 equal to 53. Third option 7x minus 3 equal to 53. Fourth option 3x plus 7 equal to 53. Now what is the question? Write an equation of the given number which when multiplied by 7 and reduced by 3 is equal to 53. Okay? Is reduced by 3. When number is multiplied by 7 means 7x is reduced means minus 3. So is equal to means is equal to 53. So this is the equation of the given information. 7x minus 3 equal to 53. Option 3 is the correct option. Now fifth question. I said multiplying my number by 5 and adding 8 to its gives the same answer as subtracting my number from 20. Now options, first option 2, second option 3, third option 5, fourth option 7. Now see, I said multiplying my number by 5 and adding 8 to it gives the same answer as subtracting my number from 20. So here solution, multiplying my number by 5 means 5x and adding 8 to this number. So it gives the same answer subtracting my number from 20. That means 20 minus x. Okay, here minus x bring to LHS, that is plus x. 5x plus x is equal to, here plus 8 bring to RHS, that is minus 8. 20 minus 8. So 5x plus x means 6x is equal to 20 minus 8 means 12. Here 6 is multiplying with x. Bring to RHS, that is a division. X equal to 12 by 6. In 6 table, 6 1, 6 12 means 6 2s are 12. So x equal to 2. So answer is first option 2. Now filling the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So sixth one. In a school, the total number of boys and girls is 52. The boys is 21, then girls is dash. Here in the sixth question, in a school, the total number of boys and girls is 52. So total boys and girls is 52. And then in the total boys and girls, the boys is given one. The boys is 21. Then girls is. Now what we do? Subtract total minus boys 21. So that means what will happen? 52 minus 21. So 2 minus 1 means 1. 5 minus 2 means 3. 31. So the girls is 31. Okay. Now seventh question. The present age of Ramu's father is 3 times the Ramu after 5 years. Sum of their ages is 70 years. Then Ramu present age is dash. Okay. So the present age of Ramu's father is 3 times the Ramu's after 5 years. Sum of their age is 70 years. Then the present age of Ramu. We don't know the Ramu's present age. So here solution. Ramu's age. So we don't know, that's why I'm keeping X. Ramu's father's age. Ramu's father's. So here Ramu's father is 3 times that's the Ramu's age, no? So 3x. After 5 years, Ramu's age, what will happen? X plus 5. After means, now we can add his father is. After 5 his father is 3x plus 5. Now what they are giving? Sum of their ages is 70. Sum of their ages equal to 70 years, no? X plus 5, 3x plus 5. X plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 70. X plus 3x means 4x. 5 plus 5 means 10, which is equal to 70. 4x equal to 70 minus 10. Here plus 10, bring to RHS side means minus 10. 4x equal to 60. So x equal to 60 by 4. 4 ones, 4 15s. So x equal to 15. So what is the x? Ramu's age is x. Okay. So answer is Ramu's present age is 15. Now, 8th question. In a given picture, all angles at point and line is 180 degrees. So here diagram, so this angle is x, this angle is 2 times the previous x, this angle is 3 times the x. Okay, now find out the x value. So sum of all angles in a straight line means 180. So x plus 2x plus 3x equal to 180. This is straight line now. In this straight line, the complete angle is 180. So that's why I am adding all 3 angles. X plus 2x plus 3x equal to 180. So x plus 2x means 3x plus 3x equal to 180. 3x plus 3x means 6x equal to 180. So x equal to 180 by 6. 6 ones are 6 30s, 6 3s are 18 no. X equal to 30 degrees. So this is the x value. Now 9th question. Length of a rectangle is 8 meters less than twice its breadth. Then equation of length is dash. Okay, length of a rectangle is 8 meters less than twice its breadth. Then equation of length means, so here we don't know the breadth value. So that's why breadth value I am taking x. So what we are saying, length of a rectangle is 8 meters less than the twice of its breadth means, now length equal to, so twice of the breadth means 2x, less than means minus 8. So this is the equation of the length. Okay. Now last question, 10th question. If we subtract 5 from 10 times of a number, we get 55, then the number is dash. So now solution. So here what is the question? If we subtract 5 times from 10 times of a number, we get 55. So 10 times of a number means we don't know the number, means let number equal to x. So here 10 times of the number means 10x. Subtract 5 from 10 times the Number means 10x minus 5, which is equal to, we get 55. Okay. So 10x, here minus 5 no, bring to RHS side, 55 plus 5. Okay. 10x equal to 55 plus 5 means 60. Okay. So here x equal to 60 by 10. Here 10 is multiplying with x. So that's why I am bringing to right side. It is divisible. 10 ones are, 10 six are. So x equal to 6. Then the number is 6. Revision assignment completed. Thank you.